So right now you're listening to how the audio sounds on this camera instead of this wireless lavalier microphone here. So I'm going to get this open and then plug it in and then show you the difference in the audio quality here, because I think that I definitely need something better, especially if I move all the way to the back of the room. You can hear the sound quality back here really deteriorates when I'm not right up next to that camera, but with the wireless lavalier mic it should improve significantly. So let's get it open right here right now and try it out. You can see it just comes in this small box right here, and inside the small box it looks like we have a little case that we'll be able to carry it in, so that's really nice and convenient. It's going to keep our mic safe over the long run. It's got a nice little pattern on it right here. It looks really cool. It's a hard shell case, and it comes with this little zipper right here, so let's get it open. And just a closer look at the interior of the case here, you see a nice soft velvet interior, as well as this little mesh strap right here. And it looks like it actually comes with two of these microphones right here. They have a little clip on them, they have a little wind guard, and I'm pretty sure that can come off. Yep, and there's the microphone right there, and then really easy to put the windshield back on it as well. We also get a charging cable right here that's USB to USB-C, and the USB-C is what's going to plug into the microphones to charge them. And we also get a nice little user manual. And it looks like we get a couple adapters right here so we can plug in our microphones into whatever camera we want here. So this piece here is called the transmitter, and this piece right here is called the receiver. And basically they pair together to make sure that the audio goes from the transmitter here into the receiver and then into the device that you're working with. Here you can see we have a TRRS adapter that will plug into things like a 3.5mm headphone jack inside of like an iPhone or an Android. And we also have this little piece here that plugs into that TRRS to make it a TRS, which means it can pair with something like my camera right here. And we also have an adapter here that you could plug into a computer in that USB 3 port right there, and then this will plug into the back of the receiver there, and then you can just connect it like that to your transmitter. So it will work right there with your computer. So let's not wait any longer. Let's get this plugged into this camera and see if it improves the audio for us. So here's the audio. You can listen to it right now without the transmitter and the receiver. And now here you can hear it if I'm just talking into it directly like this, but let's get it clipped onto my shirt because that's how I'm going to use it most of the time. And then once it's down here, you can hear the audio quality like this if I'm talking into it and it's just clipped right here on my shirt. Let me move to the back of the room. So you can see that even at a distance, you're still going to get the same audio quality through this microphone as opposed to how I sounded when I was this distance from the microphone earlier that's just sitting on the camera there. And now you'll actually see that there are two different transmitters. I have them both plugged in right now. So what I'm going to do is just give this one a little tap, just to see how that comes up, and then put them right next to each other to see if that makes a difference. Now, I'm going to take this into post and check it out and see what the audio sounds like and come back to you with my thoughts. So I just checked it out and I am very pleasantly surprised with how good these sound, especially for the value that you're getting them at. I mean, it's a huge upgrade to the audio that I have right here, especially when I'm considering, that I move back in the image and come forth like this. It's gonna save me a lot of hassle of having to change my audio levels back and forth in post-production. And not just that, but it was incredibly easy to set up. I basically just plugged it right into my phone, I turned on the microphone, I turned on the receiver, and then automatically they paired up within 1 second. It just works so easy. So these are really great microphones. So if you're looking for something that's easy to use, you want two different microphones so you could possibly have two people talking at the same time, and you want something for a great value, these microphones are a very awesome option for you. And I can say that with confidence because I'm really happy with them right now, and it's exactly what I needed it for.